You log in, you choose your model, and you start exploring in the interface.
Let's talk a little bit about what happens when you're in there, right? It's not always as simple as it sounds. The customer wants to deploy quickly, but they're like, which model? Which Azure region or which endpoint do I need to pick from, right? What deployment location, what deployment type, what deployment cost and offer? There's a lot to choose from. And so through all that process, sometimes it can take you 20, 30 minutes just to make all those decisions. You haven't even written a line of code. What's going on within Foundry right now to actually make that process faster, less friction?
Yeah, we are on a journey to make setup and getting started as simple as possible and really simplify the product. And that goes to that start as high as you can, go as low as you must. And so for new users, if you're going in and getting started, we can show you the experience where you can just go in, select your model and get started right away in a matter of seconds, right? It's just get and explore the models, explore your use case. And then as you start to understand what you want to build with it, you get to start to think about the complexities and needs that you have. But those are, when you need them, you're able to discover them and start using them.
So you can deploy and then decide.
You don't even need to worry about how to start. You log in, you choose your model, and you start exploring in the interface with our playground.
That really does sound awesome, Chris. Can you show me what you're talking about on here?
Yeah, so let's hop right into it. What you can see here is our experience if you're a new user. You're on the Foundry homepage. We can, within a few clicks, we're just gonna choose the latest model, and bam, we're off. Exploring in the playground, we can start to ask our questions. We can start to see how the model responds as we play.
Yeah.
And I didn't need to worry about any complexities. I also didn't even really need to choose a model, right? We're telling you what's the latest ones to think about. And you can jump off into code. We've got the code there to start going and building into your application and iterating.
That actually really makes sense, Chris. I can see it. I hope that you get a chance to see it and come and check it out for yourself in Foundry.